welcome to Maimoments, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. Today I'm super excited to do a full face makeup using only one brand, which is going to be a Tarte Cosmetics. Some of the products I never tried before, so it's going to be an honest opinion. So let's get started.
The first product I'm using is a Tarte base tape. It is a face primer.
This product right here, whenever I apply to my face, it's glide really easy and it feels moisturizing. The sense of this is have a coconut water, so this is definitely remind me of the Too Faced Hangover. I do not like this product as much because I don't know why whenever I apply this products here, especially this zone and this area get really itchy, and that's why I do not like this products. But maybe I could able to use this products instead. I don't know. You would definitely see the reactions of me scratching myself in 10 minutes or whatsoever. But if you like this products, definitely go ahead and try this products because it's very similar.
The next product is Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm using the light neutral to contour my face, and definitely this product is one of my favorites. Already know because I've been using it for years. Since I am reviewing Tarte Cosmetics, I also want to include this products in here. What I love about this product, it is pretty thick but very smooth and also easy to blend, which is going to help to cover your imperfections such as under eyes or wrinkles. Even though you are adding another layer on top of your skin, but it does not feel that thick or heavy, it's actually enough to cover your undesirable feature.
If you never tried a Tarte Shape Tape concealer, you are basically missing out. This is my favorite and definitely a must-have in my makeup kit. Especially it's going to cover your baggy eyes, your dark circles, your wrinkle, and if you want to brighten that area, oh my gosh, it's going to give you amazing finish. And if you have a tendency to have a drier skins, there is just came out with the ultra creamy. I have not tried this product yet. It's going to be on the following video when I compare this to, so make sure to click subscribe so you can see that video when it posts. Let's move on to the next products. Another benefit of using a concealer as an eye primer, yes, you don't always have to buy an eye primer. You can definitely use this. So following this step that I'm going to show you, going to help the color look more vibrant, and it's going to be last longing and also stop from creasing.
So what I'm doing here is gently blending in the products all over my eyelid. I want the surface to be even and also smooth. Keep continued patting until you are satisfied, and this should be the result. Next off, I'm going to try this Tarte Passport to Paradise eyeshadow palette, and I think the perfect makeup for this will be a cut crease. So first I'm going to start with the lightest colors, and I'm going to apply all over my eyelid. This is going to stop the colors from creasing because we just apply concealer, so this is going to help to set and also add some colors. When it's come to eyeshadows for beginners, I do recommend for you to do this is using a Scotch tape and place it alongside of your eyes. Then I'm going to use a detail brush and dip in these colors, and I'm going to create a fake crease. And I'm going to go above my crease, so it's going to be more refined. During the process I'm using these eyeshadows, I noticed that it's really hard to blend. So now I'm going to use a baby step in trying to blend it out as much as possible. During this process, don't worry about it too much because later on whenever we try to cut crease, it's going to hide any imperfections and mistake. Then I'm going to grab a small blending brush and I'm going to use a windshield motions and sweeping it back and forth, try to soften up the look. The best method of a great eyeshadows is all into blending. The more you blend, the better it is. When it's come to cut crease, it's always great to have a gradient effect. So I'm going to add a lighter colors and I'm going to use a small brush and I'm going to add that colors right on top of the edge. It's always great to add more colors because it looks really cool and nicely done. Once again, I'm going to go back to a blending brush and I'm going to sweeping back and forth, merging two colors together. Lastly, to add the cherry on top, I'm going to use this lightest shade of pink and I'm going to apply right around the edge. It is not much, but it does make a dramatic difference, using a sweeping motion to combine those three colors together. Now we are ready for the cut crease. I'm going to use the chart shape tape in the color Light Neutrals, and I'm going to use this flat round angle brush, and I'm going to drawing the outline of my crease starting at the beginnings and work my way toward the ends. Make sure to have a thin layer as possible, but also able to cover the colors that previously drawn. This process would definitely take more time, so be patient to draw a perfect outline. To add a beautiful reflections, I'm going to select this color right here that have a duochromes of the colors gold and pink, and I'm going to apply that in the inner corner of my eyes to the mid sections. I do have to admit that the best eyeshadows on here that is easy to blend and does not have a lot of fallout will be this duochromes colors, but when it's come to a solid colors, it's absolutely horrible. From the midsection to the outer corner, I'm going to select a darker shade of pink that have a duochromes. The purpose of using a darker colors in the outer corners because you want to create some depth in shadows, and it's going to make your eyes look bigger than it is. The next products I'm going to try is this black eyeliners pencil right here, and it have 2 points. One of them is actually to apply the ink, and the other point is trying to blend it out. So if you are going to create a smoky black eyeshadows, this is going to be a great product. The best way to apply this product is using a Q-tip and pressing against the lid so you can see your eyelashes even more better, and you want to draw along your eyelashes. And seriously, I'm not a fan of this product. It is super hard to apply, and as you can see, it is not smooth at all. Some parts have more colors than others because it leaves some residues on certain part, and I don't like it. And now in this process, I'm using at the back end, try to smooth it out and make everything blend as possible. In order to continue the wing line, I'm going to grab the Scotch tape off, and can you see a perfect line? And then I'm going to stretch it out. But for this product, it's really hard to create a perfect wing, so I'm just going to stop from there. Then I'm going to connect it to the bottom lashes, and I'm not going to draw inside the waterline because I want to create those gaps, and it's going to help my eyes have the illusions that it's going to be even bigger. Notice that I'm stopping midway. I don't try to go all the way to the inner corners. To finish off this amazing eyeshadows, I'm going to use an angle brush, and I'm going to draw an outline on the bottom lid, just connect everything together. I just want to add a tint of a dramatic look, that's why I'm going to extend in the inner corners and connect it to the outer corners. The next product I'm going to try is the Tarte Light Camera Splash Waterproof Mascara. I'm going to try my best to apply without smearing all over the place using the end of this tube. For this product here, it's going to give you more volumes than lengthening. I don't feel any lengthening after I apply it, but definitely it's going to have a greater volumes. Since my eyelashes is super short, there's no way for me not to add some false eyelashes for this kind of eye makeup. I'm just gently pressing my real eyelashes and false eyelashes together. So the following products I'm going to try is this Tarte Amazon Clay 12-Hour Blushes, and I'm going to swirl around and tap off the excess, and I'm going to gently apply alongside of my cheekbones. Then I'm going to sweep out the excess alongside of my hairline, and if I was looking at these colors in the package, I would never pick these colors, but seriously, whenever I apply it to my face, it's absolutely amazing, and I really enjoy the colors and the payout. The second to last I'm trying is the Tarteist Lip Paint in the color Serenity, and this is such a beautiful pink colors that is very natural, and it have a very cool tingling sensations, and it does not dry my lips at all. I do need to reapply it because it's not staining your lips, it's just going to be there, and you do have to reapply after you eat or drink water.
So first, looking at these colors, I thought I would not like it as much, but seriously, whenever I apply it on my lips, it's really complement my eye look, and I really enjoy how it looks very natural, and it's have a tint of pink. It's not too much, but really perfect for everyday look, which is perfectly for a natural look. Also, whenever I apply my lips, it have absolutely amazing tingling feelings, and I really enjoy the sense of a peppermint. Another thing that I like about this lip gloss, it does not have like like a stickiness. You know what I mean? Whenever you wear like lip gloss, either it's too shiny, which is like they add too much oil or something, or it's too sticky where whenever you press your lips together, you basically see your strings. But this one, there's nothing weird to it. You just have a very fresh scent, and I really enjoy it very much.
The last product that I'm going to try is this Tarte Stay Spray, and I'm going to spray it all over my face.
Oh my gosh, the scent, oh, it's super strong. So I just sprayed a whole bunch of setting spray on my face, and seriously, I do not like the scent as much because it's super strong and it smells like deodorant. I mean, like, I just want to keep that under my pit. I don't want to smell like really fresh scents. I don't know, it just like fresh / floral. I don't know, it's really hard to describe, but I'd rather have a setting spray that does not have any scents, because if someone over here talking to me, they can definitely smell the scents off my face, and sometimes it's a turn off since if I wear a perfume and it got, you know, mixed with this scent color, I don't feel comfortable for them to smell it, so I'm not going to recommend this product in particular. So after trying all these products, which one is my favorite and also my moment proof that I'm going to recommend for you guys? Definitely the Tarte Shape Tape. I've been using this product over 4 years now, and I really love the turnout. It's covering my imperfections from zit, pimple, wrinkle, dark circles, and it's a great contours and also act as a primers. Another product that I'm really surprised that I actually really like, because I would not think this is the colors that I would go for. I would definitely go for a pinkish color, but seriously, whenever I apply it on my face, I really like the colors, how it's turned out. It looks super natural and it's have a rosy pinky look, even though looking at this package you can't tell. And if you are into a makeup no makeup style, definitely this is a must. Another product that I'm really surprised, because looking at the color, definitely is a turn off for me. I would not pick this color in general, but whenever I apply it on my lips, it tends to be in a lighter pinky style, and that's going to be a great ideal color for me in particulars. And another thing is that it's not too shiny, and it's have a tingling sensations, which is felt really nice on my lips. Another product that almost got into my moment proof list is this product right here. I know there's a range of colors, absolutely amazing, and I truly love it, but seriously, the amount of fallout, oh my gosh, is extremely ridiculous, and so that's why I did not pick it. Since I like to do artistic makeup, I don't want a lot of fallout under my eyes, which is going to create a raccoon eyes, and cleaning up is such a hassle, and that's why I prefer something is going to be less fallout and also smooth, because generally whenever you are dealing with a lot of fallout, it's kind of hard to really blending it because it's going to fall in a different area. The reason why I'm super picky about the eyeshadows palette, because there's so much eyeshadow palette out there, and even one company can definitely create like 20 to 30 different kind of eyeshadow palette. I'd rather go for the quality. For example, the Morphe, the Jaclyn Hill palette, oh, I love it so much. Amazing range of colors from matte to duochromes, and even if you are going to use matte and apply to your brushes, it does not have a lot of fallout, and which I really love. The colors transfer right into the brushes, and you definitely want to tap out the excess before applying on your eyes. It is super vibrant and smooth. So that is all the 3 products I'm going to recommend that I tried today. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's another 2 videos waiting for you to click. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for more notifications, and be part of the family. If you have any comment requests, definitely comment down below because I love to read them. Give this video a like, and as always, love yourself, stay motivated, peace out.